Welcome to Tiana's crib. This is Tiana's crib. Tiana and her Evo. Okay, so I'm gonna have to shift with my right hand. Gonna be quite difficult. Okay, this is not gonna work. I am currently on my way to a place called Horsley Park in Sydney, where they're holding a Cars and Chill meet. I think it's gonna be quite good. Stand by for more. I am running about an hour and a half late, unfortunately, but we're gonna get some good footage of some decent cars and we're gonna interview the owners and check out what they're all about. So right now, I'm walking to the meet. As you can tell, it is pretty crazy. GDR boys did not want a video. Okay, so let's actually find out why we're actually here. Apparently it's Yakuza.
Could you please head over to the microphone?
I don't really know what it is, but I'm about to find out. So we're inside this workshop. I'd actually probably say, okay, Yakuza Motorsports, the engine specialist. What does that actually mean? Firstly, let's talk about the actual workshop.
So in-house, they do all mechanical work, anything you need. Wide bodies, getting 86 wide body at the moment. Full motor builds, trans builds, interior, yeah. They do other builds, they do everything, so yeah. Still kind of a mess at the moment, it's got to get cleaned out. 3582R in it, 2.3 litre, turbo 8 bottom end. Still standard box at the moment, but it's going to change out to a PPG dog box. Have a sequential IKEA formula with all hard lines to it. So with sequential shifting, basically you only ever need to use the clutch to launch, and then it'll just be bang, 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 kind of like similar videos.
Yep.
Custom built headlights. Full Vortex kit all around. This is on air, it's not as low as it can go, just because the wheels poke so much at the moment. We're going to make them fit. The whole rear quarter is going to get moulded into the car, so there won't be any bolt-on.
So right now, that's how wide it's sitting. And yeah. So are you going to go camber on the rear with this car, do you know? Yeah,
he's going to go a fair bit of camber on this. Yeah. I think we're looking at maybe 5 or 6 degrees, basically just to get it to top.
Beautiful.
So yeah, not heaps, but not minimal.
Is it a very loud exhaust? Can we do the fizz test? Definitely fizzable. Thanks heaps, Jacob.
No worries.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. This is so freaking awesome. I am in love with this meat. You just biffed. Woo! I love S1Ks. Everybody's already left, so I think I missed out on that exciting first hour. The owner was super nice. So I just cracked open a diet ginger beer. Considering I have so many of these, I thought I might as well go diet. There's a lot of sugar in these, I'm just saying. Sorry, Bundaberg. The one downside to your drink. Other than that, beautiful drink. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.